Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Alex duetto espresso machine. Now for this machine was brought here because there was no steaming coming out, it was not heating. And basically it was a heating element. As you can see, one of the connections just completely fried, and there's no way you can actually replace that. So you have to replace the whole fits that you have to replace the whole heating element, and that's what we did. We replaced the whole heating element, and now the machine is working perfectly fine. We also did a tune-up, replacing the gasket, shower screen of the machine, deep cleaning the E61 group head, deep cleaning the steam one as well as the water one, and descaling the whole machine. And there was a lot of scale with this machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee better dripping. As you can see, it's pouring up a little bit fast, so I might need to adjust the grind a little bit to make it more finer, so we have a slower extraction coming out of the machine. But as you can see, it's doing pretty well. It's not gonna have too much crema because that was really fast. Probably definitely needs to be more finer. And steam coming out of the machine perfectly fine, really powerful, working excellent. And hot water working extremely well. And there you have it, Alice Duetto working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.